started the FIT program, it was something that I knew I needed. I got to the point where I couldn't wear my wedding ring anymore. It just wouldn't fit. That was just something for me that I realized I needed to make a change. I needed to do something different and really start losing some weight. So before this, I mean, even back into high school, I was pretty fit and in shape. I was an athlete, played football, I played baseball, and so I was always in shape. And I think throughout the last 8 or 9 years of marriage, I've struggled with my weight up and down. I would lose a little bit of weight and then gain it right back, and was never really able to keep the weight off. 31 years old, and I reached a weight that I just had never been at before, and it kind of scared me, to be honest. And I realized that the direction I was going wasn't where I wanted to be or where I felt like I could be, and so I knew I needed to make a change. So when I started the FIT program, I started in January of 2014. I weighed about 237 pounds when I started. After the initial 90-day program, I had lost almost 50 pounds. I got down to about 188. The format of the program is that it lays everything out for you. And that's something that I needed starting the program, to be able to just have something to follow and have a basic guideline that I could just go off of. Probably one of the main things that's changed in me going through the FIT program is probably just the confidence and self-esteem that I now have. That's really helped me throughout my life, through work, at home, being a husband with my kids, and I'm grateful for that. For me, I know that being healthy is something that will make a difference for the rest of my life. I have 3 wonderful little girls that mean everything to me, and so I know that it's important for me to be healthy so that I can be an active part of their life. I remember the day that I could wear my wedding ring, and we went out on a date, and I had my wedding ring on, and it was kind of like a shock.
I remember reaching in, when I hold his hand, I can feel if his ring's on or not, and it had been a really long time since I had felt that his ring was on.
I had accomplished that, and it kind of motivated me to keep working hard at it, that what I was doing was working, and I needed to keep it up and not look back and keep going forward. I am Rustin. I am awesome. I am forever fit.
When life has you on the move, it isn't always easy to stop and eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Busy schedules, family commitments, and hectic work deadlines make it hard to make healthy choices, leaving your body feeling sluggish, low on energy, and not functioning at its best. This fast-paced lifestyle often has us reaching for convenient choices that fall short of the vitamins and nutrients that we need. Introducing Forever Super Greens, an ideal blend of over 20 fruits, vegetables, superfoods, and aloe. Support your health with nature's most powerful sources of plant-based nutrition. Every stick packet is loaded with key nutrients to fill nutritional gaps and help your body perform at its peak. Forever Super Greens is packed with nutritious ingredients like spinach, kale, broccoli, goji berries, green tea, spirulina, magnesium, and aloe. With a potent combination of over 20 superfoods, Forever Super Greens is designed to fill your nutritional gaps with an ideal blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. This nutritional powerhouse supports pH balance, promotes immunity, boosts natural energy, and supports metabolism to help you look and feel your best. As a convenient source of green superfoods, Forever Super Greens also helps you absorb more nutrients and promotes healthy digestion and cholesterol levels. Looking for a perfect addition to your gym bag? Forever Super Greens is packed with ingredients that promote muscle strength, endurance, and recovery, and support healthy circulation to power your fitness goals and supercharge your routine. The delicious berries and cream flavor pairs perfectly with water or your favorite drink. Give your body the nutrition it needs with nature's best sources of green power. Whether you need to get your greens in on the go or power your workout with a perfect blend of nature's top superfoods, there's no better option than Forever Super Greens.